Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make fluffy slime. Let's get straight into it. So first you are going to need 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of borax. Oh. And then you mix the borax and water together. Also, here's the fact during slime. You have to get all of the borax off of the bottom of the 1 cup thing. Alright, so now you're going to put that to the side. Next, you are going to use your bowl, and you need to put a 1/2 cup of glue, so right there. And I'm just going to do it really fast, so let's do it. Alright. Alright. Now you're going to add it into the bowl. You want to make sure you got all of the glue too. Next, you are going to need a 1/2 cup of shaving cream. Alright, so I cleaned it out the best that I could. And now I am going to put my shaving cream in. Alright. And now you are going to need half a cup of soap. And now you're going to add it in. And then you're going to mix it. It looks like whipped cream. You want to keep on mixing. And now you're going to need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. I have baby powder, and it has pure cornstarch. It says it has pure cornstarch. So this is good. Right, so I need a tablespoon. My mom's gonna help me out real quick.
Oh my gosh, powder's getting everywhere.
Now you are going to add it in. That did not just happen.
Add a little more.
Alright, and now I'm going to add a little more. I made a little bit of a mess. At least it smells good. Alright. Now I'm going to put in some lotion to make it softer. Right. Now you're going to mix it. Powder's getting everywhere. And you're going to add a little bit of cornstarch at a time. Well, not cornstarch, but borax. This will make the slime softer. Just keep on mixing and keep adding the borax. Make sure you get all of the cornstarch off the sides. And just keep mixing. The borax also makes the slime less sticky and more slimy, I guess. Mixing. And now, once it looks sorta like this, you are going to pick it up and knead it with your hands to make it less sticky. But also, you can put it down and add color if you'd like. Ah. Can you add my color, please, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
So
more borax?
Yeah. My mommy's going to add my coloring. Now I'm going to mix it. It is going to get really sticky and stick to the sides. Like that. But just keep mixing. Mom, can you add some more borax for me? Ah, got on me. Just keep kneading it with your hand. Could you put some more borax in?
I should mix it a little bit more.
You want to keep doing that? It's going to be a little bit sticky, but if it's sticky, you need to add more borax. The borax helps it to be less sticky and more slimy, like I said earlier. It's going to look very pretty like this. And once it's less stickier like this is what you're going to get. Thank you all for watching today's video on Life of Rylan. So make sure you like and subscribe and tell me what type of slime you'd like to see next. So bye YouTube!